Intuitive scanning at your fingertips. ScanSnap iX1500. Simple operation to complete processes with just one touch. The iX1500 is equipped with ScanSnap Series first touchscreen. Customize icons to suit your scanning preferences and scan however you'd like. Icons can be color-coded for each user so that you can find your own icons immediately, even when sharing the scanner within offices or families. Select the perfect icon and scan with just one touch when scanning various types and sizes of documents. The iX1500 automatically outputs the best image. There is no need for you to adjust settings. Stress-free design and usability more refined for every user. Open the cover for fast startup. Large volumes of documents can be scanned with the iX1500's fast scanning speeds. Advanced paper feeding technologies provide superior reliability. Paper is fed through one at a time to prevent any feeding errors from occurring. A special manual scan mode allows you to scan folded and long documents. Multiple receipts and business cards can be easily held in place with the included receipt guide. Connecting to Wi-Fi environments or functioning as an access point itself, the iX1500 simplifies wireless scanning. Just one stop for total document management and utilization. ScanSnap Home. ScanSnap Home helps you to do everything from managing your documents to changing your scanner preferences. Scanned documents are recognized and sorted automatically as documents, business cards, receipts, and photos. File names are generated automatically based on content. You can manage all of your valuable documents in one place, and powerful search functions help you find what you're looking for. Scanned data can also be converted into Office documents for easy sharing and editing. And with ScanSnap Cloud, you can send scanned documents directly to your favorite cloud services with simple touch panel operation. ScanSnap iX1500 brings a new level of convenience and utility to your home or office. ScanSnap iX1500.